Have you heard masturbation? Anybody? Have you heard it? So I'll be talking a little about masturbation with you so that you don't, your actual problems will be solved now. See, what I discussed earlier were the changes. So basically it is a solo act of self-stimulation of genitals to achieve sexual arousal and pleasure. To point of orgasm, orgasm is the highest point of excitement and it's a substitute for actual intercourse. See, the changes have already started in your body. The testosterone is being produced. So you are like children. You can't have a sex with the opposite partner. You are not earning. So it's a basically a self act by which you can get pleasure. Basic sex, that is after you marry, you have sex, you have kids. So it's a basically first act, and you should not be ashamed of it. So these changes, everybody goes through. I've gone through. You'll be going through. You should not be ashamed of it. Okay, come next. So what is the benefit? The benefit is if there is just an idea of sexual desire, there will be ejaculation in males. And this is basically happening because of this testosterone. See, basically बाथरूम में बाल्टी होती है, आप एक लेवल तक बाल्टी भरते हो, बाल्टी भरना है, जब बाल्टी का पानी ऊपर हो जाए, पूरा बाल्टी फुल हो जाती है तो क्या होता है? बाल्टी पूरी भर की तो टूटी ऑन रखोगे क्या होगा? Overflow होगा. It's basically like this only. The ejaculation is like this only. Okay, you should not be ashamed of it. And see, I talked about sexually transmitted diseases, which is very common. This stage is very highly sexual because of the hormones, and everybody wants to experiment, and everybody is very curious. What is this sex basically? Because बाकी सब चीजें तो आपको आ जाते हैं, and people they start YouTube में pornography देखते हैं, films देखते हैं. Everybody want to explain what is this basically. So in order to prevent STDs, it is very good. And any teenage pregnancy which I taught, it's like a teenage pregnancy have been known in many countries. Not in India, but outside, many teenage pregnancies have been reported. They have unprotected sex and the females become pregnant. Okay, next. So, many people think there is any side effect or any negative impact of it. There is no negative side effect or associated with masturbation, whatever physically or mentally. Next. So, basically, it is advisable to youngsters, I would say yes at times. And it maintains better physical and mental health in recognizing and controlling the sexual response. Actually, what is the sexual response? Thirdly, relieve anxiety, tension. See, this is the phase like you are having changes, and changes need to be accepted first. So, in order to accept changes, firstly, जब भी कोई change होता है, first reaction is you become nervous, or you become anxious, or you become depressed. So, you need to accept it. And it is very helpful in relieving your anxiety or tension. And also in reaching orgasm, that is to the highest point in sex. It is done in both males and females. Not to be females का अलग होता है, but basically I'm just focusing on males. Next. So is it normal? Yes, it has been proven normal, and it is a very sexual activity. Why? Because there is no risk of any sexually transmitted disease like HIV or any syphilis. For example, a person which is very highly sexually active teenager, 14-15 years, is going to have a sex with a female, unprotected sex. That female is having some infection, sexually transmitted infection. There are chances he will get. For example, अगर इसको जुकाम है, 4 दिन बाद आपको भी जुकाम की पॉसिबिलिटी हो गया. अगर आप एक साथ घूमते हैं, घर पे किसी को जुकाम है, फीमेल है, चांसेस होते हैं ना कि इन्फेक्शन स्प्रेड कर जाता है. वैसे ही कुछ सेक्स के प्रति भी प्रॉब्लम्स जो होती हैं वो स्प्रेड कर जाती हैं if you don't use any problem like this. Hope it is clear, everyone. It is not a bouncer. It is clear. Next one. So when it is a problem, if you do it openly, if you do it repetitively, you start interfering in your studies, you keep on thinking about it. You don't study, you don't work. And in case of partners, if you are married or you are having a girlfriend, inhibit the sex with your partners. Then only it is a problem. Otherwise, there is no problem. Next. People say if you masturbate daily or repeatedly, you become impotent. You will have some like your external genitalia will be straight. You will become tilt हो जाएगा, shrink हो जाएगा, tightness नहीं रहेगी. That is not an actual. That is actually a myth. You will have sperms होते हैं basically. जो testosterone हार्मोन निकालते हैं, organ testosterone हार्मोन produce करता है sperms. There are different organs you will be reading about in genitalia. So they are produced. That is basically that fuses with the ovum. That leads to pregnancy. So people feel कि बार बार ejaculation करने से, masturbation करने से there is low sperm count. That is not true actually. You will have some infertility. That is also not true. You will have some physical. Because many patients like they come who have sexual problems, not your age, like they are about 20, 25. They say that people we have some heart, which is basically nitrogen. So they say that we have done repeatedly masturbation, so we have this problem. I try to explain to them that it is not basically a problem, it's basically normal and it does not lead to any physical weakness. It is separate from the blood. See, blood loss in body can lead to weakness for sure, but low sperm count, sperm if it is ejaculated during masturbation, it will not lead to any weakness. This should be clear in your mind. Okay guys? Next. So some couples they worry about the relationship must be unsatisfying if one of them masturbate. That is also a myth. So most men and females continue to masturbate either alone or together when they are in a relationship or married, and many find it enjoyable part. Like those who are in long-term relationship, husband and wife, they are separate at times. They have gone for some work, so they can masturbate, and that is useful for them. So guys, hope it was very useful. And any queries in your mind, because this teenage phase is very important. Unless and until it is not clear, it can affect adulthood. So any queries in your mind, you are free to ask. Don't feel ashamed. I have also gone through your phase. I was very curious and I have many questions. So I expect any 2 or 3 questions from you. So relax and you can ask. Anyone? Just feel free. See, it's your bodily changes which will be going through, and everybody has to go through it. If you accept it at right time, you will have a normal adulthood. If you are not able to accept it, you will have a wavy. Like you see a waves like this. Waves, they are not straight. You have a wavy. You'll be ups, down, constant worry about it. Any question, please? See, masturbation is basically self-act of sexual stimulation, which a single individual does, and if you get married, you have a process that is called as sex or coitus. It is basically for getting sexual pleasure. So any query regarding the whole presentation which I taught, what are the changes, why these changes have to occur, why you, or any problems you face during these changes, like you're not able to study, you're not able to concentrate, you fight, any queries in your mind, feel free. See, this stage everybody goes through. Even he has gone through, I've gone through, you'll be going through it. So you should not be ashamed of it. And it is normal process. It is a natural phenomenon. So any questions? Is it clear?
Yes.
No questions? Or is it wrong, sir? Okay. Chalo, thank you. I hope you will understand the topic and I didn't bore you. You can contact me on Facebook or Insta, or I have a YouTube channel. Any queries you can leave, or any personal problems you want to discuss, I have sent my number, so you can WhatsApp me.